The all-new 2025 Audi S8 is a masterpiece of luxury and performance, blending cutting-edge technology with an elegant design. Under the hood, this high-performance luxury sedan boasts a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating driving experience with instant acceleration and seamless power delivery. The exterior showcases a refined yet aggressive look, featuring a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted aerodynamic profile. Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive ensures exceptional stability and control, making it a thrill to drive in any conditions. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes sophistication. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, with high-end materials like carbon fiber and brushed aluminum adding a modern touch. The advanced digital cockpit includes a customizable virtual instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with intuitive controls. Comfort is taken to the next level with massaging seats, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art sound system that immerses you in pure audio bliss. Safety and technology are at the forefront, with cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras for enhanced visibility. The 2025 Audi S8 is not just a car, it's a statement of luxury, power, and innovation, setting new benchmarks for executive sedans.